Hi, and welcome to another video by Eek Media. Today we're going to be discussing Twitter lists. Twitter lists is a relatively new Twitter feature that allows you to group the tweets of certain users into categories. This is especially helpful when you follow a large number of people and feel like maybe you aren't seeing the tweets you're most interested in. Lists are located in the right sidebar of your Twitter page. You can see I already have a lot of lists set up, so let's create a new one and add some users to my existing list. To create a new list, you'll click New List at the bottom of your list. Let's just name this Test List. You can add a description that tells you exactly what your list is about, and then you need to select whether you want it to be public or private. If it's public, everyone can see it. If it's private, only you can see it. Since this is the test list, we'll just stick with private for now. Click Create List, and then it will take you to a search box so you can find people to add to your list. In this box, you can type a username, a keyword, or really anything to find a list that you're looking for. So let's type in Facebook and see who's talking about that. Click Search, and it will return to you a list of people who have Facebook in the name of their page or within the description. So let's go to this page. We click on the Manage List drop-down, select that, and we can add it to our test list, or any other list that you already have set up. If you want to create a new list on the fly while you're trying to add this person, you can create new list. Let's call this Facebook list. Facebook. And let's keep this private too just for now. Create list. And now this person has automatically been added to this new Facebook list that you've just created. Alright, so let's go back home now. And let's see how you can add people who you are already following to your list. You can click on the following tag at the top. And now I can go through and add anyone in my list to any of my lists. So click on the Manage List tag. And let's add him to finance because I believe that's what he talks about. And that's it. And then click off, and now he's been added to that list. If you are creating a list with the hope that other Twitter users will subscribe to it, remember to choose a list name that makes sense to everyone, such as social media or freelancing or something like that they could search on and find it. Another way to find great lists to follow is to go to a website called Listorious. That's listorious.com. This is a directory of lists on Twitter that have already been made up and that contain a lot of different things based on category. For instance, I'll click on Design Links since I'm a designer, and it will show you everyone who's in that list. Then I can see who's in it and a short blurb on what they tweet about. So if I decide to follow that list, I can either click Follow here or View on Twitter if I want to see the page first before I follow. So I'll go ahead and click Follow. And now I'm following this list. So if I go back to my Twitter page and I refresh, then I will see that it now appears right here. So if I want to click to see that list, I click on it, and these are all the people from that list. Now I can see their post, and they're all related to design, which is a great time saver. Instead of having to go through and read every tweet on my page, I can just go to this one design list and see exactly what design people are talking about. And that's it. Using Twitter List is really simple and a great way to organize your content so you don't miss any valuable tweets. We hope you've learned something from this video. If you have any comments or questions, send us a DM and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.